Welcome to your crystal meditation by Jackie Frith from 꽉ᴜⴜ Take a nice deep breath in and close your eyes. Focus on your breath in and out. The only thing you can hear is my voice, nice and relaxing. Sink deeper and deeper into your chair and feel your body relaxing further and further. Above your head is a pink bubble that is slowly expanding wider and wider. You feel so relaxed. The pink bubble is now sitting on top of your head, and you can feel the edges touching your scalp and making your head feel all fuzzy. The bubble now bursts into tiny fragments, showering you with sparkles of pink light that is cascading all around you. Take a deep breath in, and on the out-breath, release any tension or frustration that you might be feeling or holding on to. You feel completely and totally relaxed all the way down to your toes. Now you're going to go on a crystal discovery journey where you will be immersed in the power of crystals and crystal healing. You feel so relaxed and calm. Take a step forward, looking in front of you, and you can see a beautiful white winding marble staircase. Step onto this staircase and take the step down, and then take the next step down. And with every step you take, you go deeper and deeper and more relaxed. When you reach the bottom of the staircase, you see in front of you a path full of cobblestones. Follow the path to the end. And when you reach the end, you will see a cave with a very large entrance. Walk up to the cave and step inside. As you do, you'll see the cave lights up with sparkling, dazzling lights. And then you realise the walls are fully adorned with crystals. Every crystal you could possibly think of. Rose quartz, amethyst, ruby, garnets, moldavite, the stunning green of malachite, iridescent gleams of opal, and the royal blue of lapis lazuli. When your eyes are focused a little bit more, you can see over the side of the crystal cave is a throne. This is not just any throne, it is a crystal throne. A special crystal just for you. Slowly walk over to it and take a closer look. Do you know what crystal it is? What colour is it? How does it make you feel? Sit on the throne and bask in the amazing crystal energy that is pulsing from this throne. The crystal has a message for you. I want you to listen for a moment, to blend your energies with the crystal so that you can hear the message. Stay here for a few minutes and really immerse yourself in the beautiful and stunning ambience of this mighty crystal. Feel its energy surrounding you and hugging you in a beautiful, warm embrace. And know that you are completely safe on this throne with this beautiful crystal. Okay. As you spent time with your crystal, your energy feels amplified and empowered. And you know that the message that you have received is profound and meaningful to you. Use this message and use this crystal to raise your vibration and to know that you are a pure spiritual being of incredible power, knowledge, and energy. It is now time for you to leave the crystal throne. Place your hands on the arms and raise yourself up and off the throne. You turn around and put your hands in prayer position and bow to the throne and say Namaste. Treasure the message that you were given and know that it has great meaning for you this time in your life right now. Turn around and walk towards the entrance of the cave, towards the staircase, and walk up the steps one by one. Once you reach the top of the staircase, stand and look below and savour the moment you've just experienced. And when you are ready, you can bring yourself back to the room. Wiggle your toes and your fingers and open your eyes.